Is this the time to actually invest? Joining us is Tim Hanson, senior analyst for the Motley Fool. Good morning, Tim.
Morning, Julie.
Let's jump right into it. Is now the time to invest?
I think it is, provided there are a few qualifiers there. One is make sure you're only sticking with the highest quality companies and you're taking a really long-term time horizon. That's 5 years or more. And the second qualifier is to make sure if you have, let's say, $5,000 on the sideline, make sure you invest it in small increments and sort of average into the market, because it's going to continue to be very volatile, and now isn't the bottom, and we don't know when we're going to see the bottom, but if you keep averaging in, you can take advantage of the bottom.
So what factors should someone take into consideration before they jump into the market right now and invest?
Well, they need to take into account what exactly they're trying to achieve and when they need to achieve it. You know, if they're looking to do a remodel within the next 3 years, or they need to pay some sort of tuition bill, that's not money for the market, because again, it's going to be very volatile going forward. But if you do have, let's say, 5 or more years, 10 or more years, that money is all a candidate for the stock market. And if you average it in today, you're going to do very well as the market rebounds and comes back up.
Does that mean 5 or 10 years is when someone who invests right now should expect to see results?
That's right. I don't think you should buy anything today without the intent of holding it, whether it's a fund or a stock or anything, without the intent to hold it for the next 5, 10 years. And you know, that doesn't mean you buy something today, sell it tomorrow, and just keep that money in the general market for 5 years. You want to stick with the highest quality names you'd be willing to hold, as Warren Buffett said, if the market were to shut down for the next 5 to 10 years.
Any names you want to name that you think would be good to hold right now and invest in?
Sure. You know, with the credit crisis, people want to be looking at companies that have really cash-rich balance sheets and strong brand names. A couple that pop into my head are a company like Nike, a company like Coca-Cola, those sorts of things. You know, they're going to be around in 10 years. They've got the financial strength to do okay right now, and those are the kind of things you can buy and forget about.
Tim Hanson from Motley Fool. Thanks, Tim.
Thanks very much, Julie.